Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. In the last class we have seen the exponents and powers. What are the exponents we have seen? Product law, that is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Quotient law, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Negative exponents, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Then powers with 0, yes, a power 0 is equal to 1. Then power law, a power m, the whole power n is equal to a power mn, yes. Next one, product of same powers, a power m into b power m is equal to a into b the whole power m. Then seventh one, quotient of same powers, a power m divided by b power m, a bar m by b power m is equal to a by b the whole power m. These are the laws of exponents we saw. Using that we will say some problems. Say true or false. First one, if 8 power x is equal to 1 by 64, then the x value is minus 2. Is it right? We shall do and see. 8 power x is equal to 1 by 8 square, isn't it? You can write like this. Then it will come as, you can write this as 8 power x is equal to 8 power minus 2. You can write like this, because we have one formula, no? A power m is equal to 1 by a power minus m. Otherwise, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay. Now, it is positive in the denominator. If you bring to the numerator, it will come as minus 2. So, bases are same. 8 is the base and x and 2 are the exponents or powers. Okay. So, the bases are same. The powers also same. So, x is equal to minus 2. Then it is true. Okay, this is the answer. The next one, the simplified form of 256 the whole power 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. Is it true or false? You have to see. 256 the whole power minus 1 by 4. We can write this as 1 by 256 the whole power 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 will come as plus 1 by 4. Isn't it? Then you can write this as 1 by, say, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, then 64 4s are 4 4s are 16, 6, remainder 1, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. So, 4 power 4 the whole power 1 by 4. Okay. If you multiply these two, we can cancel 4 and 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Okay. So, the answer is 1 by 4. Here also they are given us 1 by 4. So, this statement is true. Is the answer. The next, the standard form of 2 into 10 power minus 4. How will you write this as 2 into 10 power 4 minus 4? If you divide by, multiply and divide by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide by 10,000. And here also you have to multiply by 10,000. Okay. Then it will come as 2 by 10,000. Okay. We can write this as 2 by 10 power 4. Isn't it? If you bring the 10 power 4 to the numerator means it will come as 2 into 10 power minus 4. So the standard form of 2 into 10 power minus 4 is 0.0002. Is it right now? Yes, it is also true. Okay, then take this. 1 by 2 the whole power 5 divided by 2 power minus 5. Okay. How will you write this? First you have to make this as positive power. 1 by 2 power 5 it will come. 1 power 5 is 1. So 1 by 2 power 5. If you want means you write like this also. Then divided by, make the exponent positive. So it will come as 2 power 5. Okay. Now you divide this. You divide this. If you want to divide means you have to make the division symbol to multiplication symbol. If into 2 power 5 by 1. Okay. Now this 2 power 5 and 2 power 5 gets cancelled. The answer is 1 by 1, 1. Is it right? Yes, it is also true. Okay. Now we shall see, find the value of minus 5 by 6 the whole power 2 into, here the power is negative. So you have to make the negative sign positive first. You change to reciprocal, then it will come as positive. Now both the bases are same. So a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So it will become as 5 by 6, that is minus 5 by 6 the whole power 2 plus 2. Then the answer is minus 5 by 6 the whole power 4. This is the answer. Okay. And you shall see the exercise 1.6. First, fifth sum. Evaluate 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 power 3. Okay. 5 power 0, that is 1, plus 6 power minus 1 we can write as 1 by 6, isn't it? Into 3 power 3. Now if you want to add these two means you have to make the denominator same. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. Here the LCM is 6. So 6 plus 1 divided by 6 into 3 power 3. Okay, that is 6 plus 1, 7 by 6 into 3 power 3. Now you can 3 power 3 is 27. Then 7 by 6. 6 and 27 can cancel. 3 2s are 6 and 9 3s are 27. So 7 9s are 63 divided by 2. This is the answer. Answer is 63 by 2. Then second sum. 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. Here you have to change this to a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. So 1 by 2 in plus 1 by 3. Now here the 2 and 3 we have. You have to add this. So you have to make the denominator same. So 2 3s are 6. 6 is the LCM. So you have to multiply these 2 by 3 and these 2 by 2. So 3 plus 2 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. That is 5 by 6 into 6 by 1. You have to change the division symbol to multiplication. For that you have to bring the next number to the reciprocal. So now 6 gets cancelled is equal to 5. The answer is 5. Then third sum. 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3 the whole power 0. So here whole power 0 means we have the formula. A power 0 is equal to 1. So we need not to solve this. Okay. The power 0 no, that any number power 0 will become 1. So the answer is 1. Then sixth one. Simplify. 3 square the whole cube into 2 into 3 power 5 the whole power minus 2 into 18 square. Okay. You write this as formula a power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n. So you have to multiply these two 3 power 6 into, here minus 2, the power is minus 2. You have to make the power positive first. So you have to bring this to the denominator. So 2 into 3 power 5 the whole square it comes. Then 18 square. 18 square means 18 into 18. So 18 you can write as 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. The whole square. Okay. Now 3 power 6 into 1 by 2 power 2 into 3 power 5 2s are 10. Then here you have square, you have to apply the square to all the numbers. 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. Now you add all, take all these in 1. 3 power 6 into 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. I have written. Then the down you have to write 2 square into 3 power 10. Now we have formula no. A power m into a power n equal to a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. You have to use that formula. So you can add all these 3 square, 3 square, 3 power 6. So 3 power 6 plus 2 plus 2. Then it will come as 6 power 3 power 10. Then here 2 square we have. Here also 2 square we have. You can cancel these two. In the down also we have 3 power 10. So here also it comes as 3 power 10. So you can cancel both. Okay, the answer is 1. So the answer is 1. Then simplify. 9 square into 7 cube into 2 power 5 divided by 84 cube. Okay. 9 square can return as 3 square the whole square. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. We can write like this. 3 square the whole square. Then 7 cube into 2 power 5. Then 84 cube, isn't it? So I am writing 84 into 84 into 84. You have to solve 184 by prime factorization. To split and write, isn't it? 2 table 42, again 2 table 21, 3 table 7, 7 table 1. Now you write this. 3 power 4, 7 cube, 2 power 5, and you have to write as 2 square, 3 into 7. For this 2 square, 3 into 7. For this 2 square, 3 into 7. For this 2 square, 3 into 7. Okay. Now you have to use the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n formula. Okay. See here 3 power 4. Here you keep the numerator. And here 2 power 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 2. So you have to write 2 power 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. So 3 power 1 plus 1 plus 1. 7 power 1, 7 power 1, 7 power 1. So I am taking into 7 power 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then it will come as 2 power 6, 3 power 3 into 7 power 3. Now already we have 7 power 3 in the numerator. You can cancel both. Okay. You have to bring the 6. Yeah, here you can use the formula a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n formula. Okay. Now 3 power 4 minus 3 into 2 power 5 minus 6. Then 3 into 2 power minus 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So 3 power 1 into 2 power minus 1. You have to make the numerator positive. That is 1 by 2. So 3 into 1 by 2. The answer is 3 by 2. Okay. Then the third sum. 2 power 8 into 2187 divided by 3 power 5 into 32. Okay. You have to split this 2817 like this. It is 3 table 729, again 3 table, again 3 table. How many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 3s. Again you have to divide the 32 by 2 table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. So you have to substitute here 2 power 8 into 3 power 7 into 3 power 5. Then 32 is 2 power, 32 is 2 power 5. Okay. 2 power 32. I didn't write 32. And the next step we'll write. Okay. 32. That is 2 power 8 into, you have to bring this a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus 1 formula. You have to bring this 5 to the numerator. So 7 minus 5. Okay. 3 power 7 minus 5. 2. Then here 5. 2 power 5. 32 for 32 I have written 2 power 5. You bring this to using this formula. Okay. Then it is 2 power 8 minus 5, that is 2 cube into 3 square. 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here 3 3s are 9. 8 9s are 72. The answer is 72. Then the seventh problem. Solve x. You have to find the value of x. Here bases are same. So you can use this formula, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So 2 power 2x minus 1 minus x plus 2. You remove the bracket by applying the minus. So the bases are same. You cancel this. 2x minus 1 minus x minus 2 is equal to, here this 2 you are right. Then 2x minus x is x. Then minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then keep the x here. Bring this 2, 3 that side means 2 plus 3 is 5. Then x value is 5. Okay. Then objective type question. By what number should minus 4 the whole power 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 10 power minus 1? By what number? You can take that number as a. Minus 4 the whole power 1 into a equal 10 power minus 1. You have to make the power positive. So minus 1 by 4, the power 1 will come. You can write 1 or both are same. Okay. Into a is equal to 1 by 10 power 1. You have brought the negative to the positive. Now you bring this minus 1 by 4. This side means it will come divided by 1 by 4. And a is equal to 1 by 10 divided by minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 10 into, you change this, they change the next to division number is to reciprocal. Otherwise multiplicative inverse. We can say that as multiplicative inverse also. Okay. Then minus 1 by 4 comes as minus 4 by 1. Now you can cancel 10 and 4. Minus 2 times, 5 times. So the answer is minus 2 by 5. B is the answer. Okay. Then we shall move to 12th sum. Okay, that is minus 2 the whole power 3 into minus 2 the whole power 2 minus 2 is minus 3 minus 2. You have to make the negative sign. No need here. Here because the